Good morning, class. Now I shall continue with exercise 5C. Question number 1 I have explained in the previous video. Let's move on from question number 2. Question number 2 is sin theta equal to minus 1 by 2 theta in quadrant 4. So quadrant 4 is given. It means that cos and secant is positive, other angles are negative. Okay, so it is given 1 by 2, which means perpendicular side is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So the adjacent will be square root of 4 minus 1, which is equal to root 3. From here cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Yes, you have to find out sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta likewise. So what is sin 2 theta? Formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, from here 2 sin theta is minus 1 by 2, cos theta is root 3 by 2. So from here you will get that sin 2 theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. What is cos 2 theta? Formula for cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So you got cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sin square theta is minus 1 by 2 the whole square. So which will give you 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 or 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 2 theta will be sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta, which will give you, when you substitute the value, you will get minus root 3. So from here you can get the value for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, secant 2 theta and cot 2 theta. Question number 3. It is given that ABC is an acute angle triangle. It's inscribed in a circle of radius 5 cm and center O. The sine of angle A is equal to 3 by 5. Calculate without using table length of BC, sine OBC, sine BOC, cos BOC. Okay, so first of all, what is given? There is a triangle. Okay, it is an acute angle triangle. Here the center is 0 and the radius of the circle is 5 cm. So if this is 5, this is also 5. Okay, from here it is also given that sine A equal to 3 by 5. So if sine A is 3 by 5, cos A will be equal to 4 by 5. You know that 3 by 5. Adjacent side will be 4. Now here angle BOC. Now we shall consider angle BOC. Angle BOC will be equal to 2 into angle A. Angle BOC, if you consider like this, okay, if you consider this, from here it is angle BOC is equal to 2 into angle A, because angle at the center. So whenever angle is made at the center, that would be twice the angle in the circumference. So this is 2 into angle A. Okay, so sine BOC, you have to find out sine BOC. Let the sine BOC equal to what? BOC is equal to 2A sine 2A. What is sine 2A? 2 sine A cos A. Formula 2 into sine A is equal to 3 by 5, 4 by 5, which means 24 by 25 is sine BOC. What is cos BOC? Cos BOC is cos 2A. Okay, so cos 2A ka formula 2 cos square A minus 1. Any formula you can use for cos 2A, cos square A minus sine square A, 2 cos square A minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine square A. So I am using this. Cos A is 4 by 5, cos square A will be 16 by 25. To solve, after solving, I am getting 7 by 25. Okay, so we have calculated sine BOC and cos BOC. Now you have to find out sine OBC. Okay, so what is angle OBC? You have to find out this. Now I will consider this triangle. Okay, so here this side is equal to this side. What do we know? Angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. So if these two sides are equal, it means that the angle opposite to these two sides, angle OBC plus angle OCB is equal to, they are equal. Okay, so now also we know that sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So first we will consider angle OBC, okay, angle OCB and angle BOC. I have written like this, is equal to 180 degree. Since angle OBC and angle OCB are equal, I am writing both to be equal to 2 into angle OBC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 180 minus BOC, or angle OBC will be equal to 180 by 2 is equal to 90 minus BOC by 2. Okay, I have done like this. Now, and what do you know? Angle BOC is nothing but 2A, right? Now I am putting both the sides sine. sine angle OBC equal to sine 90 minus BOC by 2. BOC is 2A, so 90 minus 2A by 2, or sine 90 minus A, or cos A equal to 4 by 5. Okay, so sine OBC will be equal to 4 by 5 cos A, which is equal to, you have already calculated the cos A equal to 4 by 5. From here sine OBC is 4 by 5, which means that sine OBC is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, what is cos OBC? Now here when we consider OBC, okay, OBC, so cos OBC is nothing but BD by OB. Okay, what is, so this will give you 3 by 5. OB is 5 centimeter and BD is equal to 3. So BD by 5, which is equal to 3 by 5, or BD will be equal to, you don't know the value for BD, or BD will be equal to 3, or BC is equal to 2 into BD, or 2 into 3, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is like this. If I consider like this, so this will be equal to 2 into BD, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Next question. Question number 4. Derive functions of 120 degree from functions of 60 and check तो 60 in terms of 60 degree you have to find out. तो sin 120 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 into 60 degree, तो 2 sin 2a, ये हो गया sin 2a, तो 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin 60 cos 60, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 120, तो cos 2 into 60, okay, cos square 60 minus sin square 60, substitute the value 1 by 2 the whole square minus root 3 by 2 the whole square, 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Or tan 120 will be equal to root 3 by 2 by minus 1 by root 2, which is equal to minus root 3. Okay. Similarly, you can find out cosecant, secant and cot. Question number 5. If sin theta equal to A, sin 2 theta equal to B, find an expression of 4 cos theta in terms of A and B. Given sin theta equal to A, sin 2 theta equal to B. Sin 2 theta ka formula is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So, in the place of sin 2 theta, you are substituting B. 2 into sin theta is A, cos theta. So, cos theta will be equal to B by 2A. Now, I want a relationship between A and B. So, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We know that. So, in the place of sin theta, we will put A square. In the place of cos theta, write B by 2A. The whole square, this is equal to 1. When you take the LCM, you will get 4a power 4 plus b power b square is equal to 4a square. Okay. Question number 6. Given that tan A equal to 1 by 5, find tan 2a, tan 4a, tan 45 minus 4a. tan 2a का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. tan 2a का फॉर्मूला ये है. तो tan a के बदले हमने क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट किया? 1 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 5 the whole square. You're just calculating this. So 2 by 5, this will give you 25 by 24, which is equal to 5 by 12. Tan 4a. So tan 4a you can write in terms of 2a, 2 into 2a. Okay. And here tan यहाँ पे हो जाएगा, ये पूरा हो जाएगा a. Okay, so 2 tan 2a divided by 1 minus tan square 2a. Okay, so tan 2a you got the value as 5 by 12. Write down 5 by 12 by 1 minus 5 by 12 the whole square. You're just calculating and you will get 120 by 190. Next is tan 45 minus 4a. So tan a minus b. Tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan 45 is 1 and tan 4a you got it as 120 by 119. So in the place of tan 4a substitute 120 by 119 and just calculate it. You will get 119 by 120 divided by 119 divided by 239. 190 this will get cancelled. You are left with minus 1 by 239. Okay. Now triple angle formula. So double angle formula you saw sin 2a, sin 3, cos 2a, tan 2a. Now triple angle formula. The formula for this is sin 3a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is the formula for this. Cos 3a सो हियर जैसे here it was 4 sin cube a, for here sin cube a, here you will come 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. ठीक है, tan 3a का फॉर्मूला 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So how did we get this formula? We are using sin 3a का फॉर्मूला क्या है, sin 3a equal to sin 2a plus a. ओके, 2a plus a. अब हमने क्या किया, sin a plus b का फॉर्मूला, you are substituting sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here a is 2a, b is a. Okay, you are doing this. Now in the place of sin 2a you are substituting the formula. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a into cos a plus cos 2a. What is the formula for cos 2a? 1 minus 2 sin square a. So here we are substituting 1 minus 2 sin square a into sin a. So this will give you 2 sin a. Since the answer is, the question is in the form of sin 3a, we are substituting the values such that you get the answer in sin. Okay, so 2 sin a, this is cos square a. Cos square a is nothing but 1 minus sin square a plus 1 minus sin square into sin a. Multiply 2 sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a. So this will give you 2 sin a plus sin a equal to 3 sin a minus 2 sin cube a minus 2 sin cube a will give you 4 sin cube a. Okay, similarly cos 3a you can write it as cos 2a plus a, and you can just substitute, use the formula of cos a plus b and you can solve it. So when you solve you will get 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Similarly for tan 3a. Okay, when you substitute the formula, use the formula of tan a plus b cos a plus b sin a plus b, you will get this formula for sin 3a, cos 3a and tan 3a. So this is triple angle formula. Okay, and next is half angle formula. Half angle formula will be equal to sin a. ठीक है, sin a equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay, how did you get this? You know that what do you know? You know that cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a minus 1. So from here you will get 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. Okay, and from here 1 minus cos 2a by 2 is equal to sin square a, or sin a is equal to square root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2 plus or minus. Okay, so cos 2a you are doing this, from here you will get, ये formula है cos 2a का formula, and from here you are using, you will get sin a to be equal to plus or minus 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Similarly cos a. Okay, cos a is nothing but plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Okay, same thing cos 2a, here you will use the formula cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, or here, sorry, here this will be 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, so this will be equal to, okay, 1 minus cos 2a, and here you will get 1 plus cos 2a by 2 is equal to cos square a, and from here cos a will be equal to plus or minus 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Are you able to see? Okay, and similarly tan a is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a. Sin a by cos a करोगे, you will get this only. Okay, so अगर इसका हाफ साइन a बाई 2 होगा तो साइन a बाई 2 यहाँ पे cos 2a के बदले क्या हो जाएगा, cos a. यहाँ पे cos 2a था, यहाँ पे cos a हो जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड सिमिलरली यहाँ पे cos 2a के बदले a बाई 2 है तो यहाँ पे 2a का हो जाएगा a, और यहाँ पे 1 प्लस a. ठीक है, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दीज क्वेश्चंस. ओके, ये फॉर्मूला कैसे डिराइव किया ये समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज साइन इक्वल टू 1. देखो साइन a है तो 1 माइनस कॉस 2a होगा, कॉस a है तो 1 प्लस कॉस 2a बाई 2. tan a 1 माइनस कॉस 2a बाई 1 प्लस कॉस 2a, ठीक है। और a बाई 2 अगर होगा तो cos 2a के बदले cos a आ जाएगा, cos 2a यहाँ पे है cos a हो जाएगा। इस तरीके से हम लिखेंगे, ठीक है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 cos 6 अल्फ़ा इन टर्म्स ऑफ 3 अल्फ़ा। तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ 3 अल्फ़ा लिखना है, तो 6 अल्फ़ा को 2 इंटू 3 अल्फ़ा, फॉर्मूला क्या है 2 cos स्क्वायर 3 अल्फ़ा माइनस 1। तो साइन 10 थीटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ 5 थीटा, तो साइन 2 इंटू 5 थीटा, साइन 2a इक्वल टू 2 साइन ए कॉस ए, यहाँ पे a हमारा 5 थीटा है, तो 2 साइन 5 थीटा कॉस 5 थीटा। सिमिलरली tan 8 अल्फ़ा इन टर्म्स ऑफ 4 अल्फ़ा, सो दिस विल गिव यू tan 4 अल्फ़ा इक्वल टू 2 tan 4 अल्फ़ा बाय 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर 4 अल्फ़ा, ओके। तो cos 2 थीटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ cos 4 थीटा, तो यहाँ इसका हाफ हो रहा है, ठीक है। तो इसका हाफ एंगल निकालना है, तो हाफ एंगल का क्या है, हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, यू नो दैट cos a इक्वल टू प्लस आ माइनस 1 प्लस cos 2a बाई 2। तो यहाँ पे अगर 2 है 2 थीटा है तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 4 थीटा, तो ये हो जाएगा प्लस आ माइनस 1 प्लस cos 4 थीटा बाई 2, ठीक है। इस तरीके से यू हैव टू डू दीज क्वेश्चंस। I'll start with question number 9. Question number 9, in a triangle ABC, C is a right angle triangle. Prove that sin 2a equal to 2ab by c, cos 2a equal to b square minus a square by c square. ये प्रूव करना है सब। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट डू यू नो, पहले तो हमें ये बताया है कि इस तरीके से एक एंगल है एंड इट इज़ गिवन दैट इट इज़ राइट एंगल दैट सी, ओके। यू हैव नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी हियर when the sides are like this, okay, तो a है तो इसका opposite side जो है, okay, this angle, okay, the opposite side will be small a, right? If this is c, the opposite side will be small c, and here if this is b, its opposite side will be small b. Now what is sin a? Sin a is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so the hypotenuse is the perpendicular side will be a, okay. यहाँ का इसका opposite side perpendicular side होगा, that will be a by c. cos a, here will be adjacent side is b, b by c, okay. तो sin 2a will be 2 cos a into sin a, 2 into 2 bc, b by c into a by c, which is equal to 2ab by c square. This is what we have to prove. Cos 2a, cos square a minus sin square a, so b by c the whole square minus a by c the whole square, which is equal to b square minus a square by c square. Sin a by 2 will be equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a by 2. So what is given? Sin a by 2 is asked. So sin a by 2 when it is asked, तो a का हो जाए क्या है cos a by 2, right? इसका डबल होता है, तो इसका डबल क्या है a, तो 1 minus a cos a divided by 2. So 1 minus cos a is b by c, b by c divided by 2. So here we are taking positive because it is given that it is all are acute angle. Therefore acute में क्या होता है, all are positive. So here sign will be positive. So this will give you c minus b by 2c. Again cos a by 2, so which is equal to plus or minus, we will take only positive sign, square root of, so 1 cos है तो 1 plus आएगा, इसका डबल तो a divided by 2. So this will give you c plus b by 2c, okay. I hope you have understood these questions. Remaining questions I will explain in the next video.